Hello, and welcome to your online math class. In this video, I will walk you through how to navigate this Canvas course. For our example, we'll be looking at a 5th grade class, but rest assured that each course, Kinder through Calculus, follows the same structure. We'll begin our exploration on the homepage. As you can see across the top, it tells me which grade and subject you are looking at. On the left-hand side, you will see options to view the homepage, modules, announcements, and your grades for the class. On the bottom of the page, you will see 4 buttons labeled Introduction, Reading Tools, Weekly Lessons, and Technical Support. We will briefly look at each of these items and walk through what a week of instruction looks like in this online environment. First, we will select the Introduction button. This will take you to your teacher's personalized welcome and contact information page. When you need support with math or help with Canvas, your teacher should always be the first person you ask for help. On your teacher's course, this blue box here will be filled with a personalized video, as well as their name and best way to contact them. To get back to the home page, we are just going to select Home. Anytime you are in the Canvas course and would like to return to the home page, just click Home. Next, we are going to skip weekly lessons for now, and we are going to jump to Reading Tools. If I click Reading Tools, it will take me to a support page on how to use a tool called Immersive Reader. The pages that have the Immersive Reader option on the top will allow you to change the language of the text, sizes of the text, provide definitions, and will even read the text aloud to you if you want. If you need support on how to use this function, remember, just click the Reading Tool buttons on the home page and it will bring you here to offer more support. We will point out the Immersive Reader as we go through the course. Next, we are going to look at the Technical Support button. This will take you to helpful guides to answer most of your questions you may have about Canvas. Guides on how to use Canvas on your Android and Apple devices, such as a tablet, iPad, or smartphone, can also be found here. We will now return to the home page. We will now take a deep dive into the first week and look at different tasks you will be asked to complete. When I click on the Weekly Lessons button, it takes me to the top of our Week 1 module. If I scroll down, I may or may not see weeks 2 through 9 available. This depends on your teacher's preference. Now I'm going to look a little closer at Week 1. Each week I'm going to start on the Weekly Overview page. At the top of this page, you will find a brief video from your teacher explaining the goals and expectations for this week. In the table below, you will find daily learning objectives as well as the tasks for each day. Notice that each day, Monday through Thursday, has the same task. Each day you will complete a Notice and Wonder activity, followed by a video tutorial. Then you will have a risk-free practice opportunity, and each day, Monday through Thursday, will end by completing an item off of the choice board. On Fridays, you will complete a Notice and Wonder activity, a risk-free quick check, and you will wrap up your week by completing a weekly reflection. I will now walk you through some of these items to show you what they look like. The circles on the left-hand side indicate which day of the week I will go to. So the M is for Monday, the T is for Tuesday, the W is for Wednesday, TH for Thursday, and F for Friday. Let's go ahead and take a look at Monday. So here's an example of a Notice and Wonder activity. I will first look at the image provided and then answer the questions below. So for today, our questions will be, what do you notice and what do you wonder? Explain how these images connect or relate to something you have already learned in math. And our third question is, at a watermelon eating contest, each contestant was given half a watermelon. If Jada ate 2/5 of her half, how much of the whole watermelon did Jada eat? After you think about all of these questions and you're ready to respond, all you'll do is you'll go to the top and hit Submit Assignment. Here, you'll notice that you have multiple options to submit your thinking. You can either upload a file, you can click text entry and type directly into the box, you can record yourself talking about the answers to the question through a media upload. So if you click record, you can just talk to your computer. Okay. And some of you may even have an option to use Studio, in which you can record a video of yourself responding to these questions. Any of these methods of response are 100% acceptable and encouraged. Okay. This assignment is set up on a 0 to 5 rubric score. Once you're done, please remember to click Submit Assignment. Okay, the confetti in the background will let you know that your assignment has been submitted. Then you'll click the next button. Okay, for this day, we have one video that we will watch from Khan Academy. After watching the video, you'll click Next, and you'll take the risk-free practice. On Monday, we have 7 questions to answer. Notice in the directions that it says that you have 3 attempts to answer all the questions correctly. This is not set up to be a got you. We would love for you to go back and rewatch the videos and take notes to come back to this risk-free practice and get them all correct. This will collect your highest score out of your 3 attempts. You'll end your day on Monday by choosing an item off the choice board. Okay. This assignment gives you the freedom to select which activities you want to complete this week to show off your math skills. The choice board assignment has a total of 9 activities that you can pick from. Your goal is to complete at least 4 of the activities by the end of the week. If you do one each day, Monday through Thursday, that would be 4. Be sure to complete at least one choice with the brain symbol and at least one choice with the muscle symbol throughout the week. On Monday, simply choose the Submit Assignment button at the top. On Tuesday through Thursday, you'll have to click Resubmit Assignment for your work to be sent to your teacher. I will show you what both of those look like right now. Okay, so here is what a choice board looks like. Okay, you have varying options and problems to complete throughout the week. Okay, some games that you could play and then just talk and then record yourself or submit a what did you learn about that game throughout the week. Okay, and just notice, similar to the notice and wonder, each day is worth 5 points. And we are really more concerned about the learning and the thinking that you're doing, less about the correct response. So I'm going to go ahead and I've made a choice of which choice I want to do today. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Submit Assignment. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to choose text entry. I'm going to start by saying which choice I will be responding to. So I'm going to respond to choice 2. Okay, and choice 2 was the mindset video. So in this, you would write about a time that you were challenged and what did you learn from this experience. So I would go to my submit answer. I would put choice 2, a time I was challenged. Was, and then I would type in my response. a time I was challenged. There we go. Okay, so now that, and I would finish my response, and then I would click Submit Assignment. Again, you'll notice the confetti in the background when this assignment was successfully submitted. Okay, and then I would be done for Monday. Remember, to get back home, all you have to do is click the home button. On Tuesday, when you come back to class and you click weekly lessons, remember, you will start your day on Tuesday. You will complete your Notice and Wonder activity. You'll watch a brief video tutorial, answer your risk-free practice questions, and then you'll return to your choice board for the week. Okay, notice these are the same options as Monday, but I have to pick a different choice today than I did yesterday. So I answered choice 2 about math mindset on Monday, so today I can choose any option other than choice 2. Now remember, I have to have at least one muscle and at least one brain throughout my week. So for today, I'm going to choose choice 4. So I'm going to go back up here, and this time notice it says resubmit assignment. So I'm going to click on resubmit assignment. And I'm going to say I'm going to do another choice, or text entry choice, so choice 4. And then I'm going to type in my response about my thinking and how I got an answer for choice number 4. And when I'm done, remember, I am going to submit my assignment. Okay, and notice again, I got the confetti in the background letting me know that it has been submitted. And that'll complete my work for Tuesday. I will follow the same pattern and flow Wednesday and Thursday. On Friday, we will start our day with a Notice and Wonder activity, just like Monday to Thursday. Then we will complete a risk-free quick check that'll kind of summarize our learning for the week. And then we're going to end our week and wrap up our learning with a weekly reflection. So you will record your thoughts on what you learned in math this week. There are no wrong answers. And your teacher and I cannot wait to hear about your math journey. After you complete this, congratulations, you are complete with week 1. Okay, and each week, weeks 2 through 9, follow the same structure. I'm now going to quickly take you to the modules to show you other options and supports that you have in this course. So we've already talked about your teacher's welcome and contact information. Okay, but in this top module of introduction, you will also have class resources and parent resources available provided by your teacher. In addition, if you click on weekly printables, each week of content built out has a weekly printable that matches what's in Canvas. So if you are a hard copy, need a printed version type of person, okay, or have limited access to technology, this will allow you to complete the same assignments as your peers online through Canvas. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back to the home page, and that'll wrap us up. We have now navigated the entire Canvas course. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.